name on then, and I'm going to show you this map. It is called the Boeing 737. Then they have two modes. The one is from the air and the one is from the ground. So let's start with the ground. Okay, here we are in the ground, and then let's go to the airplane. For some reason, why is the what? Okay, now let's just enter this area. This is enter. Wait, what? Why is it like this? Oh, maybe I need to try. Okay, right? Okay, so let me just try to. I don't know why is it like this. Okay, I exited this vehicle. Okay, and then let me go there. Why is it like this? Bro, what the heck is this? I cannot get in. How can I raise this? Oh no, it's not broken. Oh no. Why is it? Okay, you know what? Let me just use my flight ability. I don't care. Just use it. And for some reason, I cannot. How can I even like close this door? Wow, there's so many seats. No extra seats. How rude! How many people are there in this airplane? Let me kill somebody. Okay, and then let's start the flight. Okay, now we're on the air. I actually wasn't in the air. I actually do off camera. I actually teleported to this plane, which is air, off camera. And now I will just let me do some crazy things here. So there is the cockpit. Or what about if I break this door with my gun like this? What is that? What is that actually? Let's see. Oh, this is the Cessna, or this is the Cessna aircraft or whatever it is. Let me just try to drive. No, you cannot drive, I think. Oh. Okay. So let me make this wait, what if I use my physics gun to make the plane? Oh my god, there's someone who passed away. What the heck? Maybe he had a heart attack or something, or he was just sleeping. Okay, now let me use my physics gun. I use it. Oh, it did something. It did work. Oh, that's... Oh. stalling? Oh no. Is that a stall? No, that's not stall. Maybe this is a stall. Oh no. The plane is falling. Oh no, what should I do? The plane is falling. Oh hell no. Wait. What's the... Is that the ground? Why is it Minecraft floor? That's not Minecraft, that is Teardown. Oh no, we are crashing! No. We're crashing! Oh no! No! Oh no! We successfully landed. That's good that we successfully landed. And also, what is this area? And I'm lagging. Oh my god, I'm lagging a bit. And this is the airplane. That crashed, but actually landed successfully. We won! Yay! Okay, let's just head to the next area, which I will show you the next mod that I have. Okay, and there's another mod which is Terminates, and we have to fight those Terminates. Ooh, who's that? That's maybe, I forgot the name, but it's actually a Terminate. It's just a big Terminate. Whatever, I just forgot the name. Oh no, it's heading towards us. What should I do? Let me just only use a gun. So let me use my hunting rifle. Ooh. No, hunting rifle doesn't What the heck? Oh, he's... Let me use something that I can end him. Bye. Ooh, another dead. This. Okay. Oh my god! I got jump scared by this charger. Oh my god! I just got a mini heart attack. Oh my god! What the heck is this? Let me just throw it. Okay, now let me just kill him. This is dead. Oh my god! That scared me and I killed him. Oh, this charger, what does it do? It runs very fast, you know. It runs very fast. And okay, so that's okay. Now there's another Terminate which I'm gonna show you. This is Warrior. Is really weak. Okay, that's it about this mod. So bye everyone, and also subscribe to my channel and like the video. Okay.